Have you ever seen what happens inside a beehive after a wild Sydney storm? Today we're showing you something rarely witnessed, how bees repair their comb after wind or rain damage. When a storm shakes the hive, some honeycomb can crack or collapse, spilling honey and exposing vulnerable brood. Within hours, worker bees rush to the damaged area. You'll see them chewing away the broken wax, carrying it off, and then carefully rebuilding the cells, layer by layer, that is, using fresh wax they secrete from their own bodies. This repair work is vital. Healthy comb keeps honey stores secure and protects developing bee larvae from harm. If comb isn't fixed quickly, it can lead to mold growth or attract pests, threatening the entire colony's survival. Right now in Sydney, it's autumn, and storms are more frequent as temperatures cool. Bees are focused on consolidating their hive for winter, so they're especially vigilant about repairs and maintenance. Watching these tiny engineers at work, you can't help but admire their teamwork, resilience, and dedication. This is something we often see working with bees here at Bee-Croft Honey in Sydney.